Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Who'll be jamming now?
Guys, let's head out.
Oh dear, whatever happened to Express coming through?
I guess you don't know yet. Just listen. I'll show you how to catch so many fish you won't know what to do with.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite! Actually, this is my good side here.
Op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
You missed a spot. There, right there. In the hood, right there.
I hereby dub thee.
When I see something that I don't like, I gotta say it.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't...
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat it.
You're hollow. There's a dirt track there. That's what I need to race against actual race.
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice. Fellow citizens, you're all aware.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
And put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil companies got a grip on the government! They're feeding us.
Thank you, Mel. It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse.
To feel the wrath of the Lower Bell County Unified School District.
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it.
It's the least I can do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in...
Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Soy el campeón Chick Hicks con el corredor que ha creado todo un revuelo, Jackson Storm. Otro gran...
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.